Here's a quick review of how to use Noodle Tools, our subscription online citation maker. At the top of our course page, you'll see a button that says Noodle Tools. Click it. If you're signed in to the college already, you'll be logged in through Microsoft. If prompted, choose to log in using Microsoft. Noodle Tools opens to your Projects screen. You'll create a project for each separate paper that you're writing. A project is a bibliography. Click the green New Project button. Give your project a name. And then choose a citation style. We'll be using APA. Make sure Advanced is selected, and then click the Submit button. Your bibliography has been created, and now you'll begin to add entries to it by clicking on the link. And here you can add new source. You're asked immediately to identify where you've found your source. If you found it on the web, choose Website. If you find it through the library, you'll choose Database, and these are options for other kinds of sources. I'll choose Website. Then I'm looking at my source, and I can see that it is a web page. So I'll click back over to Noodle Tools, and from the list of types of sources, I'll select Web Page. Now I see a questionnaire that I can fill out with information from my source to build the correct citation. I'll click on the tab to get back to my source. First, I'm asked for the URL. I'll click on the source, click to select the URL. I can use Control-C or right-click and copy, or Command-C if I'm on a Mac. Then I'll click back over to Noodle Tools, click down in URL, and paste my URL in. Next, I'm asked for the date of publication. I'll click back on the article. It says July 18th, 2022. Back to Noodle Tools, July 18th, 2022. And the most recent date of access is today. That's when's the last time you saw the page. Now I'm asked for the contributors to the web page. I'll click here and look for an author's name, which I don't see. I'll scroll down and continue looking, perhaps at the bottom of the page. And I can see that there was the assistance of an expert here, but it looks like the American Psychological Association itself is the author. So I'll go back to Noodle Tools, and here for author, I'll choose, instead of a last name, I'll type in the group here. If I couldn't find an author's name at all, I could go ahead and leave this area blank. That's one of the great strengths of Noodle Tools. The program knows how to adjust citations when information is missing. Now I'll scroll down, and here I'm asked for the web page document article title. So I want the name of this article, and it's called How to Prevent Depression as You Age. So once again, I'll copy that, click back over to Noodle Tools, and paste it in. I don't need an English translation. Now I just need the name of the website. Usually the name of the website is in a logo at the top of the page, And here, the name of the website is the same as the name of the author, the American Psychological Association. Because the website is the name of the author, you can click these small eyes, by the way, to get information that will help prompt you with the correct answers as you fill out these questionnaires. Because the name of the website is the same as the name of the author, we'll leave this website name blank. Next, we'll scroll down. We're not going to annotate this source, so we're simply going to click the Save button. And now you can see our complete entry has been created. If I want to export this entry as a Word document that I can copy and paste into an essay, and actually I can export the entire references page once it's complete, I'll click the Share button, Print Export to Word, leave all sources selected, and then hit Submit. You'll find that this document will now appear in your Downloads folder. And here it is. You can click Enable Editing and copy and paste the entire reference page or the entry that you'd like. That's a quick overview of the basics of creating a new project and adding sources to Noodle Tools.